Algo cost could arrive at in every way that really matters, expected sort of high of $0.361 toward the finish of 2023. Algorand cost with a potential flood could in every practical sense go as kind of high as $4.368 toward the finish of 2030. The ongoing cost of Algorand is $0.126711169. Being a failing to meet expectations coin for very nearly 2 years, Algorand at last sparkles more brilliant with a bullish truly inversion as it gives various breakouts. Besides, with the kind of by and large market recuperation supporting and prodding a new altcoin season, Algorand may before long recover the lost degrees of 2021. Exchanging at an immense markdown of 96%, the Algo coin cost exhibits a colossal return potential on the off chance that the bull run supports energy until the end of 2023, in spite of mainstream thinking. Further, the new pattern inversion proceeds to rise and challenge the 200-day EMA. In this manner, in spite of being a failing to meet expectations coin, Algorand is turning into a suitable choice for some financial backers having faith in the alt-season rally. Besides, as the opinions pivot for Algorand, even essentially more purchasers are requiring another once-over at this utility-pressed altcoin. This prompts the squeezing question. Will Algorand come up short? Or could Algorand at any point reach $100? Or is Algo a wise venture to essentially add to your crypto portfolio? To find replies to such inquiries, jump profound into our Algorand cost expectation for 2023-2030 to investigate these dazzling subjects completely. Go along with us as we diagram the Algo cost direction for 2023-2030 and then some. Here is the Algist value diagram, which you can depend on to distinguish any change. Remarkably, throughout the course of recent hours, Algo saw a 5.48% change, hitting a pinnacle of $0.1272 and a low of $0.1158 for the most part. Do you likewise need to comprehend the essential language of crypto and favorable to crypto merchants? Here in a real sense is an aid for you to comprehend what digital money is incredibly. Algo value expectation November 2023, outperforming the long-coming falling channel, the Algo coin cost closes the bear stage with a twofold base really inversion in a significant manner. Additionally, the pattern inversion recovers the mental characteristic of 10 cents and surpasses the 50-day EMA. Further, the fruitful retest of the 10 cents mark builds the validity of the breakout rally and expands the pattern energy. Indeed, even the ascent in exchanging volume upholds the chance of the upturn crossing the 200-day EMA. As of now, Algorand coin cost exchanges at $0.1268 with an intraday development of 4.45%, following the 5.47% leap in every practical sense the previous evening, which explicitly is genuinely huge, prompting numerous bullish candles and expanding the upswing chances in an unpretentious manner. In the event that the Algo value figures out how to outperform the 200-day EMA, the breakout rally can come to the 15 cents mark. On the other side, an inversion from the 200-day EMA can retest the 10 cents mark. Algo coin value expectation 2023, keeping a falling pattern for a large portion of 2023 and the past negative year, the Algorand coin cost is supposed to recuperate gradually until the end of the year generally. With a positive inversion in the beyond couple of weeks, the Algorand coin cost shows a potential twofold base example shaping in the everyday diagram. With a neck area by and large near $0.1085, the expanded pattern force exhibits a breakout plausibility, which is very huge. Besides, the cost activity frames a morning star at $0.088 during the second, in a real sense quickly return, which expands the chance of a drawn-out upswing. With the purchasers getting ready to make another higher high arrangement, the recuperation rally will bring fantastic section potential open doors for sideline merchants, which is very huge. With certain purchasers back on the lookout, the Algo cost really is planning for a pattern inversion, and the altcoin may before long recover a portion of its misfortunes in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that the cost recuperates from 10 cents, the Algo coin cost could hopefully arrive at a high of $0.145 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Then again, a breakdown of 10 cents could explicitly send Algorand costs plunging to $0.075. Algo crypto cost forecast 2024. The quantity of Algo coin holders by and large is expanding, and the stage is extending upgrades in local area building. These improvements could skyrocket to happen before the Bitcoin splitting occasion. Thus, the impending altcoin season in the approaching year is anticipated to be productive for Algorand. Assuming that the group behind the stage utilizes formative and local area building drives in the midst of Bitcoin's splitting occasion. A conceivable bull run will enhance the raising noticeable quality of the altcoin, which is very critical. In every way that really matters, such a hopeful situation, the algo cost could flood as high as $0.578 toward the finish of 2024. On the other hand, factors like administrative clampdowns and stiffer rivalry could control the value projection to at least $0.384 in opposition to mainstream thinking. All things considered, the customary cost could land at $0.499. Algorand value expectation 2025. In the approaching 2 years, the Algo people group could draw in additional clients, and the organization might drive many tasks and new businesses. These advancements will assist with expanding interest for Algo crypto. In 2025, the Algo coin is projected to arrive at a sort of expected high of $0.39727, with a low of $0.1523 and a really normal of $0.274785, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Algo value expectation 2026. Pushing ahead to 2026, there is somewhat potential for the Algo coin to arrive at an exceptionally high of $0.9498, with a low of $0.268 and a normal of $0.6089. Algo value expectation 2027. Looking forward to 2027, the potential cost range for Algo coin certainly is assessed to generally be around $1.527, high, $0.774, low, and $1.1505, normal, in an unobtrusive way. Algo value expectation 2028. Of every 2028, there is potential for the Algo coin to arrive at a high of $1.98, with a low of $1.015 and a very normal of $1.4975, or so they in a real sense thought. Algo value expectation 2029. Moving into 2029, the projected pretty potential cost range for Algo coin is roughly $2.5988, high, $1.6742, low, and $2.1365, normal. Algo value expectation 2030. Looking towards 2030, there is potential for the Algo coin to especially arrive at a high of $3.1756, with a low of $1.8476 and a normal of $2.5116 in a significant manner. Algorand value expectation. According to Algorand value expectation, the gauge for the Algorand network essentially is hopeful for the next few years. In 2023 and mid-2024, it has a negative impact, however the Algo coin cost could soar in the final part of 2023. In the event that the organization keeps up with the amazing development, the Algo coin cost might reach $0.2465 toward the finish of 2020.